You can say this solution will be put to use into those 3 locations. The fishery school here at Tisted, where we have a special welding section, and it's actually a part of the basis course for both the auto mechanics repairing cars and the welders, the smithies who will do that kind of work, and also the industrial technicals sitting with machines and programming those. So they will all be utilizing this new equipment.
We are at EUC Nordvest in Tisted in Denmark. We have students here to blacksmith or some of the technical educations, you could say, and also handwork. Well, when they come to the school, they are without experience from welding. Most of them, maybe a few of them have tried it, but of course. The difficulties for us is to show them the different kind of welding and how to set the machine for the correct welding and so on, and work position and all of that. And also to see, the most important thing is to see what is wrong with my welding and how do I make it better.
This is kind of a next step for welding. And I think we'll try to use those kind of systems a lot more in the future.
The project at EUC Nordvest is the biggest one so far. The Augmented Lab that we have installed there is comprised of 10 units, which all are connected with a local server. This helps the students because they can sit at whichever simulator they want and still access their data. And it also helps the teachers because they can access all usage statistics from the students and their progress reports, and also create new content for Soldamatic, no matter if they sit in the classroom or in their office or at home. At EUC, we installed the first Soldamatic Robotics kit, which is integrated with their Universal Robots collaborative robot. This enables the students training to be robot programmers, to actually program the collaborative robot for welding without having to waste any steel, welding consumables or gas.